是吧？
中国人以前很穷，吃不好，也吃不饱，现在生活好多了。将来我要发大财，环游世界。Hello everyone, this is Chinese learning course. Today we are going to talk about Chinese verb tenses. First, let's look at some time expressions. 今天 today, 明天 tomorrow, 后天 the day after tomorrow, 大后天 3 days from now. 昨天 yesterday, 前天 the day before yesterday, 大前天 3 days ago. Follow me please. 今天、明天、后天、大后天，昨天、前天、大前天，上周 the last week， 这周 this week， 下周 the next week， 上周、这周、下周，上个月 the last month， 这个月 this month， 下个月 the next month， 上个月、这个月、下个月，前年 the year before last， 去年 the last year， 今年 this year， 明年 the next year， 后年 the year after next， 前年、去年、今年、明年、后年。Chinese grammar can be quite flexible. We usually use adverb and the time adverbial modifier to define the tense. Let's take a look at the main tenses in Chinese. Present tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or habitual actions. To form the present tense in Chinese, you usually just use a verb without any modifications. For example, 我喜欢吃水果. I like eating fruits. 我经常去健身房. I often go to gym. 我每天都要学英语. I study English every day. 今天星期五. Today is Friday. The full sentence is 今天是星期五. 是 can be removed. The past tense is used to describe the actions that have already happened. To form the past tense in Chinese, you usually add le after the verb. For example, 昨天他买了本书. 昨天他买了一本书. The both sentences have the same meaning. He bought a book yesterday. 我前天去了公园. 前天我去了公园. I went to park the day before yesterday. Here we can put 前天 either in front of 我 or behind it, but it can't be placed at the end of clause. The future tense is used to describe the actions that will happen in the future. To form the future tense in Chinese, you usually add 会 before the verb. For example, 明天我会去见朋友. Tomorrow I'll go to meet my friend. 后天我会去广州. I'll go to Guangzhou the day after tomorrow. 他会来吗? Will he come? The continuous tense is used to describe actions that are ongoing or in progress. In Chinese, the continuous tense is formed by adding 正在 or 在 before the verb. For example, 他正在看电视. He is currently watching TV. 他在学汉语. He is currently studying Chinese. The perfect tense is used to describe actions that have been already completed and have an impact on the present. In Chinese, the perfect tense is formed by adding le after the verb, and sometimes also use the verb 是. For example, 我已经吃过饭了. I have already eaten. 他以前是在中国生活过的. He has lived in China before. These are just a few examples of different verb tenses and forms in Chinese. It's important to practice and learn the different structures in context. These adverbial modifiers can give you a clue. 现在 now, 目前 currently, 此刻 at this moment, 昨天 yesterday, 前天 the day before yesterday, 上个月 last month, 曾经 once, 明天 tomorrow, 后天 the day after tomorrow, 下个月 next month， 将来 in the future， 正在 currently， 一直 continuously， 不断的 constantly， 已经 already， 刚刚 just now， 之前 before， 过 have done。 Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying. Bye. 再见。